Guys, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by again. Today we're going to talk about this brand new Timex Q that just hit the market. It came out on the market and it sold within a few hours. I don't even know if it lasted a full day on sale. It came out for the EU, Canada, and United States, and it sold out quickly. And now this is a watch that is selling for double its retail. So it's just a crazy market we're living right now. I've seen Rolex on the waiting list. I've seen other watches with waiting list or low inventories, but I've never seen this on a Timex. Now, if you want this watch, you got to get put on a waiting list or on an email list, which is the same for me, a waiting list or an email list. And they will let you know, Timex will let you know as soon as it has it. So I bought the watch, I have it here, and I'm going to do a quick review. We'll see if it's worth waiting for or if it's just hype. But everything in the watch world, it's just hype right now. I mean, this is something I've never seen before. So see how this watch looks. We're going to do a small unboxing. You guys know that I don't like to do unboxings that much, but we'll do a quick review about, on this watch and see how it looks on the wrist. It's a nice watch. It's a nice Pepsi bezel and $179, and now it's going on eBay for $350 to $400 sold items. I think there's one or two already sold for that price. So let's go and see. So guys, let's do this unboxing. Really nice presentation box that Timex gives us. And it's going to be a box within a box. And look at that. This one up. And there it is, the Timex Pepsi Bezel recreation. And they leave the legend of the reissue, 40 years in the making. And you can read it right there. So that's the legend that Timex gives us, and saying that they recreated this watch to the button, the same strap, the same clasp, the adjustable clasp, I mean, that you can move back and forward. Very nice strap, original to its time. Like I said, you could adjust it. You just pop this open and move it back and forward, and it'll adjust to your wrist size. There is no need to take on or take off links. Nice size of a watch. Very nice size of a watch. Let me give you the dimensions. This watch is 38 millimeters wide. It has a non-integrated 18 millimeter strap. Non-integrated, you can see back here. It is 45 millimeters tip to tip, and what I like the most, it is only 11.5 millimeters thick. At the dial has a beautiful blue with the Q and the Timex there, and the full patina lume. The lume looks beautiful on this watch, and what I like a lot is the red second hand. The second hand, it pops out. It looks very nice, very true to its time. The bezel, it looks black on the video, but it is a very dark blue. I'll try to catch it there with the light. And the red on the bottom. The red on the bottom is very, very nice. Movement is hackable, as you can see. But that's on, I think on most quartz movement, they're hackable. And the bezel is bidirectional, and it has no clicks. It has no clicks. That's true to the Timex of 1979. Remember, guys, this was a watch for the working man. It wasn't a watch that somebody would buy as a collectible or as something as high horology. It was the watch of the working man, and I'm very happy that Timex did this. I'm very happy that they reissued a watch that most of us can buy, that most people can buy. The watch is $179, and it's selling 2 to 2.5 times above its retail, but it's not a limited edition. This watch will be created again and again and again. So eventually it should be available for $179 or less. As you can see here on the sides, nice polish, nice satin polish, and you could see the high polish on the other sides. Very nice high polish. And what I really liked about this watch, that they went back to 1979 working man. No time to go to the watchman. No time to do anything special. Get a coin, pop this open, take the old battery out, put the new battery in, and you're back in business. This watch is 50 meters water resistant, and it has a nice dome crystal. You can see the dome right there. Very nice dome crystal. and I'll show you guys how it looks on the wrist. Very nice watch to wear on the wrist. Very thin, the thin profile. It allows the sleeve to go up and down, no issues at all, no catching. You could see there the very nice low profile. The band, the strap, it contours very nice to the wrist. I'm wondering how it's going to do with the pulling of the hairs. That's something I'm going to have to tell you after a few days of wearing it, because this is a watch I will be wearing every day. And like I said, you have the bi-directional bezel, so you could use this bezel as a GMT. Very nice polish on everything. Very well executed. So guys, if you get a chance to pick one of these up for $179, I wouldn't go crazy and pay double retail for it. If you could pick one up for $179, not right now, maybe next month or in a few weeks, or get on the email list, I recommend it. It's a nice watch. It is a nice wearing watch, and it's a fun watch. Above all, it's a fun watch. Doesn't break the bank. And let's take a look at that lume. Beautiful lume, you could see there. The second hand is not, it doesn't have lume, and the bezel doesn't have the dotted lume, but everything else has nice lume to it. The hands, the hour markers, very nice lume to the watch. That full patina lume really shines really bright. I like it. I'm enjoying this. There you have it, guys. The Q Timex or Timex Q Pepsi bezel or GMT bezel, whatever you want to call it. Very nice watch. Very comfortable watch. Very fun watch. I'm going to enjoy this watch a lot. So guys, hopefully you liked this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it.